Doctors of Reddit. What was the wildest self-diagnoses a patient was actually right about? 1. I knew my partner had leukemia about a week before I could convince him to go to the doctor. He was bleeding and bruising really easily and had petechiae. I wanted to go to urgent care where I knew the CBC was done quickly on site, but he instead wanted to wait to go to his primary. I took him to his primary and had a bag packed for the hospital in the trunk. The doctor told him it was likely a B12 deficiency but that he'd do blood work to put my mind at ease anyway. I asked if the CBC was done on site or not, and he said it was sent out. I asked if he planned to rush the CBC. He got very angry and said, "There is nothing the CBC could show that would change my treatment plan." Then he told my partner he needed to stop me from Googling. We got a call that night from the lab that his WBCs were dangerously high and platelets were dangerously low, and I had to immediately take him to the ER. I did, and he was diagnosed with acute leukemia. 2. This is why I usually ask patients what they think is going on. Doctors of Reddit. What was the wildest self-diagnoses a patient was actually right about? 1. I knew my partner had leukemia about a week before I could convince him to go to the doctor. He was